Duchess potatoes. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Have a seat. Today we're taking slightly more complicated potatoes that get piped into fun mounds and just making it super easy and casseroling it up. Is that a word? Casseroling? Hashtag casseroling? Hashtag legalize it. Anyway, we're taking 3.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. And we're going to do the all-time most fun thing ever. Peel them. Peel them all. Stick them in a pot with some water. Get it nice and centered. And see, there's nothing up my sleeves. See? 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 Now place our magical tea towel of magic. Lift it. Now put it down. And voila! They're sliced into spears. Magic. Put them on the heat and let's get them a-boiling. In the meantime, we're going to assemble the mixture that is going into the tates. Combine in a bowl 3 egg yolks, 2/3 cup of half and half, pepper and salt. Give it a mix, put it on the side, save 1 egg white for later. Now back to the potatoes. Boil until they are tender and easily stabbable by a fork or knife. Drain them, and now we're going to rice them back into the same pot. The potato ricer is excellent for making mashed potatoes. It makes it foolproof. And while it does take a little extra time and elbow grease, and it gives you something else to clean, after you rice potatoes, all you have to do is add butter or sour cream, anything that makes it taste good, and just mix it with a rubber spatula. All the work is done. Seriously, it's amazing. So once all the potatoes are riced, we're adding in 1 stick of melted, unsalted butter. Give it a quick mix. Next up, our half and half egg mixture. Mix it up. And we're going to grab our 19 by 9 inch baking dish. Give it a light coat of butter. Drop in your potatoes, spread them even-ish. Grab your saved egg white, hit it with some salt, melt another 2 tablespoons of butter, and then give them a good mix. Clean up the sides of the dish. We're not monsters here. Dump the egg white on top and just turn to coat the whole top. Now, we're going to grab a knife and just going to make a quick lattice on top to make it look fancy, even though it's not. Only because Duchess potatoes are usually fancy. So what I think works best, use the side of a knife on a slight angle. Do 3 lines left to right. Go corner to corner. One above it and one below it. Easy peasy. Look how fancy you are now. And then tilt the egg mixture to get into all those delicious lines. Next up, we're going to bake our potatoes in the middle rack of the oven at 450 degrees and bake for 30 minutes, spinning the dish halfway through. The end result will be a whole tray of potatoes with a creamy mash. I cannot stress how good the crispy top was. But I do have to add, it was not enough seasoning for the potatoes. So that was an error on my part. But next time, I would melt the stick of butter in a pan, add onions, let them kind of simmer, get all delicious. You could even go the extra step and caramelize them. And then after you rice the potatoes, add everything in. It'll give it a nice extra flavor that it needs. Even without that, the crispy top Game changer. It was so good. I am absolutely making this next holiday because it's still mashed potatoes. That crispy top. Seriously, y'all. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all real soon.